Hello darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walk alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, beneath the halo of a haze street lamp. I turn my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that speed the night and touch the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never said. No wonder, except the sound of silence, pretend that I did not know. Silence like a castle crow, hear my words that I might hit you, take my arms that I might hit you, but my words like silent raindrops fell, and echoes in the wilds of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon golden maid, and the sign flashed out each morning in the words that it was for me, and the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls.